In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Kuda app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, by updating your Kuda app, you'll be able to get the latest features that come with this app. You'll also be able to fix any security issues as well as fix bugs. Now, to update your app, you need to go ahead and access the app or find the app through Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for this app through Google Play Store. To do that, go ahead and look for this app called Play Store and tap on it. From here, tap on search function here and then just type in the name of your app. Now this should take you to this app, and you can see we have an update that is available. This means I've been using an outdated version of Kuda transfer and payment app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Kuda app on your smartphone and then install it. Now, once the installation is done, you will have the latest app that is more secure and safe and also without any issue. Go ahead and tap on open to start using your app. So that's how you update your app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.